Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? In our previous video, we have started new chapter looking after our body. Okay, how we take care of our body. So today we will discuss about personal cleanness of our body. So please take your rough copy and pencil and note down the important points. So student, in our previous video we are discussing how we keep our body fit and healthy by doing regular exercises, playing outdoor game, that is also a very good exercise for our body and it makes our body strong. Dancing, cycling, doing yoga, swimming, all are good for keeping our body fit and active. So today we will talk about personal cleanliness. What things we will learn so that we can take care of our body. Is it clear, student? What we have to do to take care of our body organs. A clean body is a healthy body. First is, a clean body is a healthy body. And how we keep our body clean, that I explain you, and why it is very important. If a clean body is a healthy body, reason is that you are fit and healthy. Okay, so what we have to do, get up early in the morning. Okay, get up early in the morning. So because you have to do few things, and if you get up early in the morning, you can give some time to exercises also, some time to your studies also. So student, early to bed and get up early in the morning is a very good habit. And as you know, you all are young, and in this age if you learn all these things, then you will carry these things for your whole life. अगर आप छोटे हो, आज आपने ये अच्छी चीज़ें सीख ली, तो पूरी लाइफ टाइम के लिए आप इसे कैरी करोगे. ठीक है, पूरी लाइफ टाइम आप इन चीज़ों को फॉलो करोगे. ओके, नाउ see in this picture what the child is doing. She is brushing the teeth. What she is doing? Brushing the teeth. So there are lot of methods. See in this picture, the child is first, she is brushing the teeth, after that washing the face. Okay, so this thing you do when you get up in the morning. After that this is also very important, student. In the first picture I showed you the child is brushing the teeth. Now second important point is brush your teeth twice a day. Is it clear? Brush your teeth twice a day. One time in the morning and before sleeping also. Student, please brush your teeth. Okay. now go to the toilet. So in this picture it is shown that first the child brush the teeth, and twice we have to brush our teeth twice, and now it is shown in the picture go to the toilet. So next, see the important message what the picture want to give you, that always whenever you go for the toilet, always flush the toilet after use. Is it clear? So the important thing is that whenever student you go for the toilet, please flush the toilet, flush the toilet. Okay, now, so see student, after using the toilet, flush the toilet. Now next, see, after using the toilet, student please wash your hands. Okay, it is very bad habit. I am not if saying that because these are the habits which you have to learn. हर समय तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा तुम्हारे साथ में नहीं देखेंगे कि तुम ये कर रहे हो, वो तुम्हें उन्होंने बताया ऐसे ऐसे करना है, तो ये एक हैबिट बना लो। ठीक है, जब आपकी ये हैबिट में आ जाएगा तो वेन एवर यू गो फॉर द टॉयलेट आप अपने हैंड जरूर वॉश करोगे। इज इट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, वॉश योर हैंड्स आफ्टर यूजिंग द टॉयलेट, wash your hand after using the toilet. Next picture student, see, now in this picture you will observe what the child is doing. He is taking a bath, he is bathing, he is taking the okay. So this is very good, daily take a bath and with soap and water every day. See, because student, the whole day you do lot of activities, many times you go to toilet, and you go outside your house in the field also for playing. So student, this is very important that daily you take a bath. Or in present situation, which climate is, it is very hot, summer. So in summer we bath more than one time in a day. So clean your body with the soap, because we know that germs can enter inside the body and we are unable to see them. So this is the best method. By taking a bath you can wash your whole body. Now see, in this picture what's happened. Clean your ears and nose every day. Okay, that is also very important student, cleaning our ears and nose. But see student, don't put matchsticks, okay, or pin in your ear or nose. Many times it has been observed that small kids are putting pencil also in the nose. It is not good. Okay, so see in this picture, what is this? Towel. So, after taking the bath or after washing hands, we whip our body or you whip yourself with a towel. Okay. नहाने के बाद या हाथ धोने के बाद आप लोग घर में टॉवल यूज़ करते हो ना अपनी बॉडी को पोंछने के लिए, तो इट इज़ आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और स्टूडेंट, डोंट यूज द टॉवल ऑफ अदर पर्सन. ठीक है. आप एक घर के मेंबर्स हो तो चलो कुछ, लेकिन अगर आप कहीं जाते हो, दूसरे के हाउस में जाते हो, कहीं जाते हो, तो टेक योर टॉवल. डोंट यूज द टॉवल ऑफ अदर पर्सन. And after taking a bath, student, please wear clean clothes. Don't wear dirty clothes. Okay? Wear clean clothes. That is also good for your health. Okay? Now see in the picture what the girl is doing. She comb her hair. This is also very important. We daily comb our hairs, okay, to keep it neat and tidy. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप लोग कभी कॉम नहीं करो, कभी कंघी नहीं करो बालों में, तो देखो हमारे बाल कैसे हो जाएंगे, बहुत हार्ड हो जाएंगे. सो बालों को क्लीन करने के लिए भी और नीट करने के लिए, क्लीन करने के लिए भी हमें हमेशा कॉम करना चाहिए. ठीक है. एंड रेगुलर वॉश हेयर्स एट द टाइम ऑफ बाथिंग. क्योंकि जब भी हम बाहर जाते हैं, वेन एवर वी गो आउटसाइड, स्पेशली इफ़ वी आर मूविंग फ्रॉम द सिटीज़ एरिया, एंड व्हेन यू कम बैक टू होम, जस्ट टच योर हेयर्स. लगता है बहुत हार्ड हो गए, क्यों? पूरी डस्ट बैठ जाती है. इज इट क्लियर? सो डेली टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेयर्स आल्सो एंड डेली टेक ए बाथ. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट, in this picture what you observe? A mother and small kid is sitting with mother, and what the mother is doing, what she is doing? Trim your nails. So student, mother is cutting the nails of this kid, and this is also very good habit to keep ourselves clean. Okay. Because if your nails are, if you don't trim your nails regularly, then what's happen at the time of playing, or your nails, lot of germs in your nails also. So with the same hand, when you are eating the food, these germs will enter inside your body and make you ill. Okay. So student, regularly trim your nails. Next, see. Okay, let's observe the first picture. In this picture, what is trim your nails? Mother is cutting the nails of this small child. Okay. Now in second picture, cross is here. Cross is here, and what is written here? But do not bite. What does it mean? It means that it has been observed that small kids and even it has been observed in adults also. They have a habit of cutting their nails with their teeth. This is very bad habit. Is it clear? This is very bad habit. Don't cut your nails with their teeth. Otherwise, again the same thing I am telling, the germs will enter in your body and make you fall ill. Okay? So take care of this. See, this child, observe the picture. In this picture you will see that the child is wearing a clean cloth. Which type of cloth we have to wear? Clean cloth. We have to wear clean clothes. Okay, this is also good for our health. Okay, even when you wear clean and iron clothes, you look smart also, and it is also good for your health also. Next, see, it is shown these two kids. These two kids, see the clothes of these kids. They both of them are wearing dirty clothes, and dirty clothes are not good for your health, student, because I explained you already. Maybe there are lot of germs in these dirty clothes. Okay, and that may affect your health. That may affect your health. So don't, after taking a bath, or if you are coming home after playing in the ground, after taking a bath, please change your clothes and don't wear dirty clothes. That is not good for your health. That is not good for your health. Now see, this is the picture of a handkerchief. So this is also very important, student. In the home you can use this very easily, in your home also or in the school also. Is it clear? You can use this in your home also and in your school also. Observe the picture, student. Cover your mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. See, in the picture you will see what the child is doing. Sneezing or coughing. स्नीजिंग मीन्स छींकना. ठीक है, स्नीजिंग मीन्स छींकना. और कभी कभी होता है आप बीमार हो जाते हो, आपको बहुत कफ आता है ना, तो ये सब चीज़ें ओपनली में नहीं करनी चाहिए. ठीक है, कि ये भी एक बहुत बैड मैनर्स है. अगर आपको छींक आ रही है तो यू कवर योर फेस. ओके, ये नहीं कि कोई भी सामने खड़ा है और आप जोर से छींक दिए. दैट इज़ नॉट गुड. इट्स अ बैड हैबिट. इट्स नॉट गुड. Okay, so take care of this thing also. देखो, this time if we are talking about the present time, situation is of coronavirus, so we are taking lot of precautions. Why we are taking lot of precaution? Because viruses are so small that we are unable to see with our eyes. To save our life and keep us fit and healthy, lot of precaution these days we are taking. Is it clear? So cover your mouth whenever you are cover your mouth with handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. So see student, toothbrush, towel, nail cutter, comb, soap, handkerchief, these are very important. These are the tools for personal cleanness. Okay, you brush your teeth with toothbrush. Okay, you brush your teeth with, what we will do with toothbrush, we brush our teeth. Towel you use at the time of bath. Nail cutter for to trim the nails. Okay, with this you can comb your, this you use for your hair. Soap, use this soap to clean your body, to clean your body. Okay, and handkerchief, this you can use after washing the hand or whenever you are in the school, you can use this. So these things you have to learn student for your good health. These things you have to learn for your good health. Okay student, now see, this is also very important, where we keep all the things which I have shown you in this picture. There should be some proper place to keep these things. Okay, so this is also very important. Keep these things clean and in their proper place. Okay, these things should be clean and these things also kept in the proper place. Okay, next, see in the picture, you must have enough exercise every day. Okay, very good. Exercise is very, play a very important role in our life, because exercise keep you fit and healthy. Okay, exercise keep you fit and healthy. Okay, if student you do regular exercises, then what's happen, and because you are young children student and you must do exercise more and more, so that their body will grow and develop correctly. You are all are young children, you need to do more and more exercise, so that your body will grow and develop correctly. See student, when we are doing exercises, exercise involves the muscles of the body and makes them strong. एक्सरसाइज मसल्स को कैसे इन्वॉल्व कर रही हैं, क्योंकि बेटा हमारी पूरी बॉडी जो है बोन्स का एक पूरा ढांचा है, जिसे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, स्केल्टन. ठीक है, सो ये जो तुम्हारे बोन्स हैं, इनकी मूवमेंट्स किससे की वजह से होती है, मसल्स की वजह से होती है. ठीक है, ये मसल्स क्या है, आपके बोन से अटैच हैं. ठीक है, तो ये आपकी बोन्स की जो मूवमेंट कौन कराती हैं? मसल्स कराती हैं। तो जब आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो तो ये आपकी मसल्स की भी एक्सरसाइज होती है, और ये मसल्स क्या है? स्ट्रांग होती हैं। मसल्स क्या होती हैं? स्ट्रांग होती हैं। इज इट क्लियर? सो वी मस्ट डू रेगुलर एक्सरसाइजेज। और वन मोर थिंग आई एक्सप्लेन यू, इट इम्प्रूव्स ब्रीथिंग। ठीक है, योगा में आप जब भी देखोगे, जो सबसे पहला आसन योगा टीचर आपको बताएगा कि सांस को कैसे लेना है और सांस को कैसे छोड़ना है। इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल, हाउ वी कंट्रोल आवर ब्रीथिंग, हम अपनी ब्रीथिंग को कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। एंड एक्सरसाइजेज इज आल्सो वेरी गुड फॉर प्रॉपर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन in your body, for proper blood circulation in your body. For this also exercise is very important. Okay, so student, do regular exercises, do regular exercises, because exercise is very important for us. See student, in this picture what the children are doing? They are playing. What the children are doing? They are playing. Okay, so they are playing. The purpose of showing this picture is that whenever you are playing in the ground, see student, there are lot of germs in our surrounding also. That is the reason we always say that we, to keep ourselves healthy, we should clean our surroundings also. अपने को फिट रखना है तो जहाँ हम रहते हैं, हमारे आस पास की जगहें भी क्या होनी चाहिए? क्लीन होनी चाहिए, तब भी हम हेल्दी होंगे। ठीक है, सो स्टूडेंट, व्हेन यू आर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू टू कीप योर सेल्फ फिट? फर्स्टली, सी, whenever you come back from the ground, what you have to do? Don't forget, always remember that the first thing what you have to do is wash your hands and fit. ठीक है, हाथ से हम लोग बहुत सी गेम खेलते हैं और पैरों से ही चलते हैं ना। ठीक है, तो अपने हैंड और फिट, वैसे तो गुड प्रॉपर केयर या गुड हैबिट तो ये है कि यू टेक अ बाथ, दैट इज मच बेटर that you take bath. But by chance if you don't have time, कभी होता है ना कि जैसे हम गेम खेल के आए तुरंत हमें ट्यूशन पढ़ने जाना है या कुछ और काम करना है, बाई चांस if you have time, then best thing is that you take a bath. And by chance if you don't have much time, then please student, wash your hands, wash your hands and your feet. Okay, don't forget, क्योंकि at the time of playing maybe we come in touch with a lot of germs which are in our surroundings. So when you wash your hand with the soap, then you are safe, and when you wash your hands with the soap, then you are safe. Now see in this picture, in the picture it is shown that wear clean night dress before sleeping. So student, yes, before sleeping must take care that which type of the dress you are wearing. सोते समय बेटा कभी भी टाइट क्लोथ्स नहीं पहनने चाहिए। कभी आप ध्यान देखना कि अगर हम कोई टाइट क्लोथ्स पहन लेते हैं तो हमें जैसे लगता है कि हमारी बॉडी के ब्लड का सर्कुलेशन नहीं हो रहा अच्छे से, हमें काफ़ी परेशानी, इरिटेट हम फील करते हैं, परेशानी होती है। इसलिए टाइट क्लोथ्स नहीं पहनने चाहिए, स्पेशली स्लीपिंग के समय। इज इट क्लियर? कपड़े ऐसे होने चाहिए जो ढीले हों, जिससे आप आराम से सो भी सको और आपकी बॉडी सर्कुलेशन भी बेटर रहे, बॉडी की में ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बेटर रहे। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखो, रेस्ट एंड प्ले। जिस तरह हम लोग पूरा दिन एक्सरसाइज है, गेम्स है, स्टडी है, सब कुछ करते हैं, तो वी नीड रेस्ट आल्सो, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट वी डू लॉट ऑफ वर्क इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ एंड वी फील टायर्ड, हम थक जाते हैं। सो प्रॉपर रेस्ट रिलैक्स आवर बॉडी। आपने कभी ध्यान दिया है, रात आप जब स्लीप करके मॉर्निंग में उठते हो तो लगता है ना कि बिल्कुल फ्रेश हो गए हैं हम लोग। ओके, बिकॉज आवर बॉडी आल्सो नीड रेस्ट। ओके, और स्टूडेंट one important thing is that you must sleep for 6 to 8 hours daily. That is good for health. That is good for health. You must take 6 to 8 hours sleep every day. So student, I hope you will follow this personal cleanness in your life. Thank you student.